Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how can you charge other smartphones with your Samsung phone. In the beginning, make sure that your Samsung phone has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features. We are talking about Samsung Galaxy S series. Next, go to Settings and enter Battery. In Battery, find reverse wireless charging and enable it. Once reverse wireless charging is enabled, you can place your smartphone on the screen and then place other smartphone on the back of your Samsung horizontally, and it should charge it. Of course, make sure that the other smartphone also has wireless charging feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.